Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to provide you very important information about Cloud9 Daily Restore supplement. You should try this product or not, and why you should not try this product, and what are the precautions you should take while using this product. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we will talk about this brand. The brand is approx like 6 months from now, and if we talk about like trust score, the trust score is like 62 out of 100, which is looking like an average score. Okay, so this is the positive point. Now come to the second positive point, that is like the product is available on their website only, and it should be on amazon.com. so I request to brand like it should be on amazon.com, so you can make your own decision. It should be on amazon.com or not. I request to brand it should be on amazon.com. Now come to the third point, that is like very important point, the results. My dear friends, I want to tell you like any health related product which is related to your health, the results are depend person to person, or you can say the results may vary person to person. Maybe you will get good results, maybe you will not get good results, maybe I will get good results, maybe you will not get good results. So it depends on person to person. As you know, this product is related to your liver support. If you are consuming so much alcohol and you want to restore your liver, so this is the product which is used for these kind of conditions. But there is a very big issue, that is like when you purchase this product, when you visit on their website, they are providing you subscription model, so you need to be very careful. If you are going to use this product, make sure you are not going to subscribe, because when you subscribe any product, they will provide you product every month and they will charge you again and again. So you need to keep this thing in your mind, like when you are going to place your order, you need to keep this thing in your mind, like you are not going to subscribe, you are going to purchase only for one time purchase. And after using this product for one time, if you feel some changes in your body, then you can go with continue. Okay, so this is the information. Now otherwise the brand is looking good, each and everything is looking good. You can try the product, because without using product we cannot say it will give you good results or not. But according to our research, according to our, you can say like lots of, you can say, knowledge, we can say like the product is looking like average product. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye.